Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unpackaging for you. Now I'm not exactly sure what is in this package. I believe it's been sent to me from a company called Cardiff Gold. Now Cardiff Gold is a company that I've spoken about a number of times on this channel, and it's a place where I always buy my copper bars from. It works out to be one of the cheapest places in the UK. The delivery is very quick and it always arrives in very nice packaging, really well protective. So I've done a number of videos talking about this company, and I reached out to them to show them one of my videos. Now the video I showed them, let me just make a little bit of room. Got a nice glass of whiskey here, I've had a long day at work. Put a bit of silver on here for the intro. This is the package, and the video I sent Cardiff Gold was the video of me unboxing this. Now many of you might have seen the video on this, and this is a 5 kilogram copper bar. Absolutely gorgeous piece of metal. It's factory sealed, it's got a COL on the back. These are produced in Germany. Really nice solid piece of copper. Now I did a video, like I said, unboxing this and talking about Cardiff Gold and how I like them as a company, and basically giving them a bit of a shout out. Now I did share the video with them so they could watch it and see what they thought, and they said they wanted to send me a little something to say thank you for shouting them out. Now this arrived today and I haven't actually ordered anything, so I'm guessing this is from them. Now I could be wrong, I have been wrong in the past. I have done unboxings where I'm expecting it to be something and it's turned out to be a salt lamp. I will leave that link in the description below if you want to check that video out. But I basically was expecting to unpackage a 5 kilogram bar, the one I just showed you a minute ago, and it turned out to be a salt lamp that I'd ordered for the backdrop of some of my videos. So it might be wrong, I might not be right with my guess that this is from Cardiff Gold, but let's get straight into it and find out. Now you might be able to see that I've actually adjusted my setup today to be able to film a little bit more further back. Before it was very hard to do unboxing videos on this setup, but I've worked out a way of being able to zoom the camera back a little bit and film some unboxings on it. So I hope you enjoy the new setup. Before, this camera used to be a little bit down like that, so you could see my light box in it, but I've actually adjusted it. Let me just show you. All I've literally done is I've cut this slit a little bit further back, so instead of the camera sitting here, it now sits here, so that means I can zoom out a little bit more. So don't know why I didn't do that before. Really simple modification, but it just makes the filming area a lot bigger. So let's get straight into this. I will leave a link as well to the video of my setup for those of you that are interested. It's a very basic setup, but it seems to do the job really well. You've got to be careful when you're filming silver coins because they're very reflective. They're one of the most reflective metals, so if you don't get the lighting right, you can really ruin the videos. Now, yes, so this is from Cardiff Gold. It's like a little goodie bag. I've got some pens there. First of all, I want to say thank you very much, Cardiff Gold, for sending me this. Thank you to all the team there for sending me this. You didn't have to do this. I just like doing unboxing videos, and I will speak very honest of companies, and that's why I've shouted out your company in the past, just because, like I said, it's very competitively priced, very quick delivery, and always nicely packaged. So you can see I've got 2 pens here. And let's get to the note first. Let's zoom in a little bit, almost zoomed too far out now. So it says 365, as a little thank you for your videos and orders. No salt light this time. Stay safe, Dan. So thank you very much. I'm glad it's not a salt light this time, because I've already got one of those and the salt is literally going everywhere. So there's also a package here as well. This is very interesting. Let's have a look what we've got here. Like I said, you really didn't have to send me anything. I just do videos and I talk honestly about the companies that send me things. Wow, look, so we've got some copper rounds. Look how cool these are. So they've actually sent me 2 copper rounds. And I'm not sponsored or anything by this company. It's just a company that I've actually used a number of times now to buy my copper bars from. I've also bought copper rounds from them in the past as well. Look at those, really nice rounds. Really cool. What a great gift. 999 fine copper. I absolutely love copper rounds. I think you get a bigger variety of copper designs than you do with the silver. I know there's a lot of different silver designs out there, but when you're searching copper rounds, there's such a different variety out there. There really is such a big selection. There's literally something for everyone. These are some of the copper rounds that I've purchased in the past, and you'll see that there's such a different variety on them. You've got kind of Air Force ones, you've got the classic kind of dinosaur ones, animal ones, some just really nice different designs. You've got crypto ones, Ethereum there. What's that one? Another crypto one, is it? So yeah, you get such a nice variety in copper rounds. There is some gun ones somewhere. Prospector, there it is, look. A rifle one. So yeah, you really do get a nice selection in copper. And I do think it looks really nice. If you compare the colour of this to a kind of modern sovereign, there isn't much difference. And I think that's what appeals to me so much with the copper rounds. They do look like gold at a quick glance. So obviously a fraction of the price, and you can stack them quite nicely, especially on camera. They look really cool as well. So yeah, thank you very much, Cardiff Gold. Really appreciate that. You didn't have to do that. Really cool rounds. Really like these alien rounds. Look at all the detail. Oh, they're actually different rounds. I didn't realise that. I thought they were the same. Look, they're actually different. This one says they're here. This one says we'll be back. Really cool. That's got like the world in the background, and they're like on a spaceship. And this one's got Area 51. That's really cool. I didn't realise at quick glance. I didn't actually realise there were two different coins. So that's really cool. So yeah, thank you very much to the team at Cardiff Gold. Definitely go and check them out. Go and have a little look on their website. Like I said, that's where I've always brought my copper bars from in the past. It seems to be one of the cheapest places to get them from in the UK, and it always arrive really quickly and nicely packaged. And just look at that. What a gorgeous piece of copper. 5 kilograms. So yeah, as always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Like I said, thanks very much again to Cardiff Gold. I'll leave a link to their website as well if you want to go and have a little look at their channel if you're from the UK. I'm not sure if they ship worldwide or not, but definitely check them out if you're from the UK. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.